Now let's discuss some table operations in Ballerina. So once the tables are constructed, you can look up the records using the key. It is just like you would do with a map. So let's see how to do it. For that, type the name of the table. In this case, it is employee table. Then open and close square brackets. Then inside the square brackets, I will add the value of the key that I need to look up. In this case, I will add key 1. This will return the record that contains the ID value as 1. So let's assign this to a nullable employee variable. Remember that there can be situations where the certain key is not present in the table. In that situation, the program returns the value nil. So let's print the value E and see the result. So you can see that the program outputs a record that contains ID field as 1. So that is the expected behavior. So now let's add a similar example using a key that is not present in the table. So I will update the key value to 3. Then I will run the Ballerina program. You can see that in here it returns nil. This is because the key value 3 is not present in the table. So now let's see how this works in tables with combination of multiple keys. It is same as previous. Type CR table, then open and close square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we need to provide the key. In this case, it is combination of string course ID and string student ID. So we need to add them by separating commas. So I will add course ID as 001 and student ID as 1223R. So this will return record value that contain course ID as 001 and student ID as 1223R. So let's assign this into a variable. The variable type should be nullable course registration. So let's print the result using IOPrintln. You can see that the program outputs the record that contains course ID as 001 and student ID as 1223R, which is the expected behavior. So now let's change our lookup key value. I will change the course ID as 005. Now let's run our Ballerina program. You can see that the program outputs nil because there is no record that contains combination of course ID as 005 and student ID as 1223R. We can use a for each loop to iterate over all the rows in a table. So let's type for each, then the type of the constraint employee and variable name as E, and then the table name employee table. Then inside the brackets, we need to add the task we need to do in each iteration. Here I will increment the salary of each employee by 100. So now let's add a print statement to see the updated employee table. So we can see that the salary of each employee in the table got incremented by 100.